Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready. Confirm the monitor input, HDMI, DP, or USB-C, and check cables are seated. Open Settings System Display to begin. You'll use the built-in controls first. If your display list looks wrong, make sure your GPU driver is current in Device Manager or your graphics vendor app. Once drivers and physical connections are verified, you will proceed to change scaling and resolution, so Windows reports the correct native pixels. Now you'll change the key settings. Select the right display tile and set scale to the recommended percentage to fix UI size. Lower or higher scaling causes blur. Next, pick display resolution and explicitly choose the monitor's native pixels, such as 1920x 1080 or 2560x 1440, so images stay sharp. Once done, open Advanced Display Settings to confirm or change refresh rate and color bit depth. Making these match the monitor's specs prevents flicker and color banding. Finish by applying the chosen resolution and clicking Keep Changes when the preview looks correct. If it doesn't, Windows will revert after 15 seconds so you won't get stuck. If correct options are missing, run Windows Update and reinstall the GPU driver from the vendor. Sometimes a clean driver install restores native resolutions. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or attach a different monitor to determine whether the issue is the display hardware, the cable, or the graphics subsystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.